Good day, guys. Being here. Today, let's have a look at this family. So it's a face-based family, so modeled by James. He wants to know because this is a flat trim family. So if we place, so for example, if I let me just create a new project. So if we place it onto, so if I draw a wall, that's okay. So we can place this onto this wall. Okay. But if it's a curved, let me just create a similar and draw a curved wall. So if we have a curved wall and then place this onto this curved wall, CS, and it will not follow this wall. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you. So I'm not going to 100% finish this one, but I just quickly show you. So if we have a family like this one, so how can we modify it? Okay, so first let's have a look of this family. So if I go back to this family, so and go to floor plan. So first let's have a look of this family. So it's a okay. So you will see all these reference plans with dimension parameter. So it looks all quite good. So and also let's have a look of let's have a have a test. Okay, so with these parameters. So if I open this one, if I change, let's just change this. Okay, so apply, good, width, all good. Okay, so I change it back. Yep, and okay, so it looks like all these parameters work. And then let's have a look of the geometry. So okay, so this is a sweep. Okay, so this is a sweep. If I edit sweep, and so you will see it's a sweep, and the path is sketch path. So that's oh sorry, a sketch path. So this is the path, and these so this 1, 2 here. So actually that should be 1. Is profile. Okay, all good. So this is sweep. This is a sweep as well. So let's have a look at this one. So maybe I'll turn off the TL thin line. So yep. And so have a look, edit. All good. Same. This one should be the same, and this one is sweep as well. So I think they are all sweep. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to change this one. So this one is a sweep, right? So it's a sweep. It's a profile. See, this is a profile, and this is a path. So what I'm going to do is I'll change the profile of no. I'll change the path of this instead of have this line. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to change it to a curved. And of course, I want it to be parametric. Okay, so first let's go to let me think. We need to go to front. I think it should be front, either front or back, because we are going to draw a path. Okay, so now here I'm going to do it here. So first I want to H just hide all the geometry, or even hide the level. So now I'm going to create a reference line, and I'm going to use this reference line for my path. Okay, so reference line, and it will be here. Start from, I think it's roughly from here and to end here. Go up. Okay, and also I want to select this arc check this center mark visible. So now we can see this is a center mark. So I want to lock this center mark onto this reference plane. So AL and lock. Okay, so the next thing is I want to add a, so actually let me just do a screenshot and let's figure out what parameters we need. Okay, so eventually this will be the path, right? And we in this family we already have a width. Okay, so a width, so this is a width, and okay, so from this width, if I connect this one, so this will be width w divided by 2, so a half width, and also if I connect this, so this is a right angle triangle, and maybe I'll write it here. So w divided by 2, this will be the r, so the radius of this arc, and then from this one, because we already know this w width and the r, we can get this one. Okay, we can get this one. So let's call it what do we call this one? X maybe. Okay, so let's do this. So we already have this one. We just need these two parameters. Okay, so go to family types. Let's add a radius parameter r instance, and okay. And also we need a let's call it x. Oh, sorry, wrong one. This one, x, and instance as well, and okay, and okay. So now let me go back to here. We can work out the x. So x in this triangular, we need to know that the formula is square root r square minus w divided by 2 bracket square. Okay, so oops, sorry. So this is the formula. We just need to just put this formula into x. So it will be sqrt bracket r, oops, wrong one, square minus bracket w divided by 2. Oh, sorry. Here w is opening width. So make sure you match all the letter. Divided by 2 bracket square and another bracket. Okay, so another bracket and then another bracket here. So now cannot oh, something's not right. Oh, looks like the r, because I think, yeah, we have to, the r can't be 0. So I'm going to control X, okay, control X, cut, and I'll put in an R here, so maybe 200, and then go back, control V, that's it, and click OK. So now I'm going to put that R to here, so create this dimension and R, and I think that's it. So let's have a try. So from these two, so actually this one, from this width parameter and this R, we can work out an arc. So for example, this is arc with 200 is it millimeter? I'm not sure. Anyway, so if I change this to 180, yeah, all good. 150. And also if I change this one, 150, yep, all good. So now this will be part of the path, okay? So now let's go to 3D view, and you will see this is a path reference line here, so we can use this one. So I'm going to just let me just HH this dimension here, or maybe I'll change the scale so it won't be that big. Okay, so now select this sweep, edit sweep, select this path, sketch path. I'll delete this. Okay, so delete this and also delete this, and then I'll pick line, and I'll try to pick this line, a reference line. I think I will just check this box lock, tab, click, and click finish. So, and finish. Let's have a look. Looks like the direction of that profile is not correct. That's fine. Edit sweep, select edit profile, and I'm going to select this thing, mirror, uncheck the copy, pick this line, finish, and finish. Yep. So now I have this curved. Okay, curved. And then it's not finished. So you will see this. You can't just stop here. So it looks like we need to extend this a little bit further here, and then turn it by 90 degrees. Okay. So how do we do it? Let's go back to this view, so front view. So we just need to come to here. So actually, let me just have a look of this. Okay, so I want to roughly work out the size of this. Let's have a look of this one. So I think it's probably, we just need to extend this by maybe this size. So let's have a look at this size. Maybe go to floor plan. I'm going to do a dimension here. Okay, so DI. So roughly, I think it should be this 16. Anyway, let's just use 16. And okay, so go back to front view, and we're going to add a reference line, which is 16. So reference line, start from this point. Try to see this tangent little circle with a little line underneath. Just draw this one. Okay, so extend this to 16, and then just so cancel this one. If you select this line, you will see this. So this, just click this one. And also I want this to be 16. So, and I'll just dimension this and select this dimension and find this lock. So this one, this line will always be 16. Same, I'm going to do another one, create reference line from here. And also you can uncheck the chain. If you uncheck the chain, you can directly lock this line. So click and then directly lock. Okay, lock this, and also create a dimension, select this dimension, lock it. So now let me have another test. Okay, so test. If I change this one, so 180, so you will see this line will follow this arc. Okay, 200, 180. Yep, not good. And then we need it to turn 90 degrees. So let me just have a look again. I want to roughly work out. I think maybe we need this much. Okay, so I'll just do a dimension here in 3D view. I'll pick this face and do a dimension DI. Okay, so this is this 9 or 6? 6. Okay, so let's go back to front and continue, create reference line. So from here, see this perpendicular symbol and 6. Okay, dimension and lock it. Lock this dimension. It's here. And also I want to lock this 90 degree. So DI dimension, angular 90, select it, lock. All good. And then another one, create reference line here, 6 dimension, select this dimension, lock, and also to another dimension, DI, angle, 90 degree, and then lock. So now that's it. And then we can go back to 3D view, select this sweep, edit sweep, sketch path, pick line. So let's continue pick those reference line. I can't see them. WF wireframe. Continue pick this one. Make sure this is lock. Here, this one, and also this one and this one. Finish, finish. So now you will see, change to hidden line HL. So now you will see this one. This, I think it's good. Okay, and then okay, now this one's fine. This is fine. The next is, what's this one? Okay, so this one, I believe if this one's part of this family, so we can use the same. Just change the oh hell, looks like this is a extrusion. Anyway, we can just change this to a sweep. Just use the same method, same to this one. Okay, so but now I want to adjust this, and probably this one will be fine. This one can follow this, but and yeah, I think this one is the one. I can't remember. So maybe let me just open the original ones. I'll save this as a different. Sorry, I'll save this as a different A, and I'll open the original one. This one. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so this is a sweep, and this is the extrusion. Okay, so looks like we can just create a sweep. So even use this line, pick this line, and create a sweep to fix this to fill this part. So let's go back here. So for example, this one, we can just do a I'll just show you. So instead of use this extrusion, so let me just delete it. So we can do a sweep, and you can use pick path for this one. Okay, or you can just use the reference line we had. Okay, it should be the same. So I'm going to try pick 3D edge. So I'm going to pick this one and this one and this one. Okay, finish. And for the profile, I'm going to maybe I'll use this one. I'll create a profile here. So because if I create here, I can pick this face. If I create the profile here, I won't be able to pick anything, I think. Okay, so maybe to this pick path, I'm going to delete this part. Okay, so now you will see the profile go to here, and then once again I can pick this edge. So now I still have this path, but the profile go here. And then we can just finish this and select profile, edit profile, pick a line. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Trim, TR, trim, trim, trim. Finish and finish. So now we have this. Okay, and then should be able to join them. Right? So then that's it. So this is same as this. I'm not sure what the terminology of this, but this is the curved version of that. Okay. So the next step is we're going to So see this one? We need to rotate this, but which means we need another parameter. So we need an angle parameter because we want this one, the shape of this to follow this bit. Okay, so let me just hide this one and only do this one. Okay, so first let's have a look at this. So this is it's a sweep. It's one sweep, but with two profile. So what we need to do is we need to separate them because these two profile will be different directions. So this one's rotate counterclockwise. This one's clockwise. So let's do this. I'm going to Control C. Okay, Control C. So then edit sweep, and I'm okay. So I'll use this one for this bit, and I'm going to delete this part of the profile. So edit profile. I'll delete this, and okay. So now, if I finish this one, so we will only have this part. Should be okay. Let me just okay, but the issue we have is we can't. So you will see we have this angle parameter here, but it's gray out. So it is because this profile is a sketch. It's not a profile family. So you will see you won't be able to adjust the angle. So what we need to do is we need to create a profile family and load it into this family. So let's do it. Okay, so family, new family. Go to profile. So profile, yeah. Open. And okay, so of course the easiest way to draw that profile is just to copy this one. So let's go edit and edit profile, select Control C, go to the profile file, Control V, just place it here, and then we can just MV and move it to let me just check this one. So to this end, looks like the same. Yeah. Maybe I'll just move it to this end. Okay, so try to pick this here. Okay, so now this is it. So now we can save this profile or save as family. So today's date, profile, save, load this into, I think into this one. Okay, so okay. So now instead of this sketch, so now we can delete it. Okay, so we can go. Oh, hang on. Let's yeah, let's just discard this. We don't need to delete. That's fine. We can just instead edit profile. We can just go here. Oh, hang on. Did I? Where is it? Maybe click on here. No, cancel. Let's do it again. Edit sweep. Select this one. Oh, it's not here. Did I load the family? Oh, it's not here. Oh, what's happened? Sorry. Let's go back, open this profile. Load it into this. Okay. Oh, is it this the correct file? Yes. Select this one, edit sweep, and go here, select profile. Yeah, it's here. So now select this one. It will automatically replace your sketch with this profile. So this is actually a profile. Now you will see the angle here. So you can change the angle. So we can just finish it and then select this sweep, and then you can directly adjust angle. So for example, you can if you type in 20, oh, wrong direction, -20. Yeah, so you will see you can try to match the angle, match the angle of this part to this part. Okay, but now what we are going to do is, so let me go back to this. So this is our reference line. So if I extend this and do a 90 degree, so this is the actual path of this sweep. And then we need to work out the angle of here. So if I connect, should be the same. So it will be, I think, should be the angle. I think this one or this one. Sorry, my brain's not working. Maybe let's call this one. Okay, so call this one A, and from, because we know this one, so we can work out A. So sine A equals W divided by 2 divided by R. So A equals arc sine W divided by 2 divided by R. Okay, so this is the formula for the angle A, this one. So now let's go to family types. I'll create a angle parameter. Let's call it A, and make sure you change this to angle instance. Okay, and then formula is A sine arc sine width, so which is opening width space divided by 2 bracket divided by R, and bracket, another bracket here. So now we get this angle. So and apply, and also because this angle should be a negative, so we're going to create another angle parameter. So there will be a negative. Okay, so a negative angle instance. Okay, angle negative. Oh, hang on. Did I check? Oh, looks like I picked the wrong type. Delete it. Angle negative angle. Okay, so instance. Okay, oh good. And then equals negative A. Apply. Okay, so now select this and link this to negative A. Okay, so now you will see this part of the family. So let me just HH this part. So at least this will always follow this. Okay, so let me try edit family type. If I change this one, so for example, change this to 300, and you will see this follows this. Okay, so 150, apply, 200, oh good, right? What's happening here? Oh, that's the base HH. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then for that, let me just HR. So for this one, you can then use try to create a sweep, pick the edge of this geometry, and so this one will always follow this, and this part, this bit will be the same, exactly the same as this part. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So let me quickly create another one here. Okay, so this one, so select this one. I'm going to, oh hell, so previously I control C with the the original one. Let me try to paste. It's gone. Anyway, let me just copy this one. So Control C, Control V, or not Control V, just align to same place and edit sweep. Okay, so this one. So I'm going to pick path. So instead of this, I'm going to pick some path here. So go to floor plan. I think I can just pick I think, which one? Probably this reference line. Let me just Control Z. Okay, Control Z. I want to work out. Okay, so this is here. So maybe this one should be this reference plan, but stop here. So to here. So yeah, all good. So pick and then lock. Pick this reference plan and just drag this to maybe you can use AL align and lock. So same here. So align to here and then lock. So now we can delete this DE, and then let's go to 3D view. So okay, we just need to finish, select profile. So we have this one. So now this one's looks quite okay, I think. So let's just finish this, and then with this one we just need to go back. Actually looks like the angle's correct, negative as well. Okay, so anyway, so that's it. So this one's good, this one's good, and then for this one, I think we can. So let me just edit. So instead of, I think this is a sketch path. Instead of sketch path, this time we can use. No, we need to do it, redo it. We can't change it from sketch path to a pick path. So, which means we need to do it again. So CS, create similar. I'm going to use pick path. Hang on. Maybe we should use sketch path, because pick path we will have this line. We have yeah, it's a little bit let's try this. Okay, so pick path, I'll pick this edge, and also I will pick this edge, and also I will pick this edge and then trim this edge to here. So let's try this and finish, and then we don't have that profile. How do we do it? Yeah, we need to copy that profile, or we can save that profile into a profile file. Okay, let me just cancel this one. Sorry about that. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so edit sweep. So we need to copy this profile. So I'm going to copy this one. So I'm not going to save this to a profile file. I'm just going to copy it. Finish. CS, create similar. This time pick path. I'll pick this edge, and this edge, trim, TR, and finish, and edit profile, and I'll paste, and I'll just place it somewhere. Let me have a look. So here, so around here. Okay, so it looks like we need to mirror it. Uncheck the copy. Where is the copy? Oh, okay. Pick this edge. Yep. Tab, select MV. Pick this edge. Oh, hang on. MV. Pick this point. It's a little bit hard to pick. Maybe try SE. No. Here. Oh, here. See, it's end. And then move it to here. This is very hard. maybe let me try. Oh, this is very, very hard. Maybe let me try here. Is it? Yeah, close, very close. MV. Yeah, looks like it's easier to if I save this as a file, so I can make sure it's always being placed in the exactly on this point. But I'll just finish it. So I'll delete this one. Okay, so at least I have this one, so very close, and yeah, close enough. And also, yeah, you can just use join to clean up a little bit. Yeah, and I think I'll just HH this space. I think it looks like it's not quite right. Yeah, I need to offset a little bit. I'm not sure. Edit swipe. Yeah, maybe this one need to also see this, so you can adjust. We don't need to edit swipe. We can just directly just type in some number here, so horizontal and vertical. But I'm not sure which one, so I'll just try. Okay, so 10. Oh no, wrong one. -10. Yeah, it's more under, so you'll see -12 maybe. So under this part. So I'm not sure exactly where exactly it need to be, but at least these you can adjust directly. So it will go to. So for example, if this need to go that way, so you can try this one as well. Oh, wrong one. Negative. This is harder than I expected. Looks like it's maybe negative this one. No, -5. Yeah, you can just have a play, but yeah, I think it's close. It's close. -5. Try 5. Oh, try -5 as well. Yeah, I think that's better. Anyway, that's it. So pretend this is all good. So it looks like this part is quite nice, and yeah, and then if you load this into a project, and you can just try to match the arc of, so for example this wall, the arc of, let me just go to floor plan. So the radius of this wall is this. So maybe I'll make it more, smaller, maybe 5 meter. Okay, so 5 meter. So this is 5 meter, and I'll just create this one CS, create one here, and then if I select this family, change the R to 5 meter, so it will actually match the so you'll see match the curve tree of this wall. Yeah, I think that's, oh, looks like there's something not quite right here. So it looks like this edge. Let me just quickly have a look. Spending too much time on this one already. So yeah, I think there's something we need to adjust. So let's have a look of the eye. So select one of the reference line IC, and maybe Control Z. Select reference line together with a reference this dimension IC. So now we just need to work out, oh, this one's locked, this one's locked. So locked, maybe VV go to annotation category, check this one. So HR, so looks like here, so there's some dimension, temporary blue color dimension, so we need to fix, but yeah, it's a little bit hard to, let me just try to change this R, maybe make it 500. Okay, so now here is the issue. So this one is not following the reference line. Let's have a look. So edit sweep. So select this one and sketch path. So okay, so it looks like we yeah, although we locked this path onto a reference line because we didn't lock the length of this path. So maybe what we can do is we can just directly add a dimension here. So and then just type in 6 and then lock this dimension. Okay, so looks like yeah, it won't, this dimension to the reference line won't work to this path. So we need to just add another dimension to the path. So yeah, I think this should be good. Okay, so finish this and load this into the project. Override. Something's still not right. Okay, so what happened this time? It's gone. So let's go back to that family again. So we need to just, let's have another look. Not this one, sorry. This one. Okay, so edit sweep and edit path. So looks like we probably need to add another dimension from here to here as well. So another dimension here to here, 16 lock, and here to here, 16 and lock. Finish and load this back into the project. Override. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, we just need to, so don't look at this part, but look at this part. So it's quite nice. Okay, so and also don't look at this. So yeah, that's it. If I change the arc, the radius, yeah, all good. Okay, so that's it. So today we just had a try with this family. So we try to make it curved. We use reference line and we use some quite basic formula, and we use a reference line as path and work out the shape of this, the path of the sweep to control this. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, I'm not sure actually. I need to ask for permission because James, I haven't received any feedback from James. So if he's happy for me to share this family, I will share it, and then you can have a play. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.